What do you mean you can't do court by Zoom?
You have finals.
Can I have it in November? I have finals
Admissions.
and midterms.
Who's talking to you there?
My
His
mother,
mom. I'm so sorry, Your Honor. I'm his mom. It was my car that I didn't have insurance.
Lamosini Pale or Pele Laconi?
Lemasani Lokeni.
Lamasani Lokeni.
Yes.
Lamasani
I'm
Lokeni.
sorry. There is a delay in my computer, so.
Okay. All right, we are here in 23 TR 966, State of Kansas versus Lamasoni Lakeni, County Attorney Jill Gillette for the state. And can you start your audio or can you make it where I can see you? I've lost you again. I need you to start your audio and your video. Lamasani Lokeni, you've disappeared on me.
I'm using a different account because my
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, very good. All right, so you are here on one count of operating a motor vehicle on August 26th, 2023 in Greenwood County without proof of insurance. If you did have insurance on your vehicle at the time, you just need to get proof of that to the county attorney and they'll most likely dismiss the charge. But if you did not have insurance, it is a B, non-person misdemeanor, and the fine has to be at least $300, but no more than $1,000. And there could be a jail sentence up to 6 months. You might also be eligible for Ms. Gillette, the state's diversion, where if you paid your fine and costs and whatever else they told you to do, they might dismiss the charge and keep it off your record. So do you think you'll be providing proof of liability insurance to the county attorney? Did you have insurance at the time of the stop?
Say it again. You said the last part.
Did you have insurance at the time of the stop?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So do you want to look into the diversion to try to keep it off your record?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Ms. Gillette,
I have the insurance. I wanted to let you know.
you did get it after the fact?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. That's a good thing. All right. So Ms. Gillette, do you see any reason why he should not apply?
Judge, his driving record hasn't come back yet. It's from the state of Washington.
Oh, okay. Do you have a decent driving record?
Yes, of course. Yes, I do.
All right. Okay, so what I need you to do, act on this quickly. Don't drag your feet and let it get away from you. Contact the county attorney. Call them and ask about diversion as soon as you leave this hearing. And your next court date, Missy, when is it?
It's October 13th at 11.
You must be back here by Zoom, October 13th at 11. By that date, if you want diversion, make sure you've completed it. But you have to get the application in, then you have to get approved. It has to come back in the form of a contract. You have to sign the contract, send it back. So make sure you get all of that done as soon as you can. And where are you from? Where are you right now?
I'm from Washington State, and then right now I'm in Independence, Kansas.
You're a student? Are you a student in Independence or what's your status there?
Yes, I'm a college student here at Independence Community College.
Okay. Well, Kansas law says if you have a B misdemeanor, an A or B misdemeanor, you have to come to the Greenwood County Sheriff's Office and get your picture and prints taken. So I need you to call the sheriff and set up a time to do that. They'll take you at midnight if they need you on a Sunday. Call the sheriff and tell them you need to come in and get your picture and prints taken. And I'm going to give you what's called a $1,000 OR bond. You don't have to bring money, but if you don't come to court, you'll have to pay that. You can come to court by Zoom.
No, see your piano.
No, I can't do court by Zoom.
You can't.
Right now.
For 13th, I'm sorry.
What do you mean you can't do court by Zoom?
You have finals.
Can I have it in November? I have finals
Midterms.
and midterms.
Who's talking to you there?
My
His
mother?
mom, I'm so sorry, Your Honor. I'm his mom. It was my car that I didn't have insurance and,
All
I
right,
have-
if you're gonna talk to me, why don't you put the camera on you so I can see you? All right, what's your name?
me. Hi, my name is Mary Lynn Leslie,
Mary Lynn?
Merri, capital LynnLeslie.
Okay, and you're his mother. Did you come all the way down from Washington State for this hearing?
No, I actually work at the school that he attends.
And which school is that?
It's Independence Community College.
Okay, all right. So if you'll put him back on the screen, I think I can cover the concerns you have.
Okay,
Are you 18 or older?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you can appear by Zoom and we can work around your finals. I'd be surprised if you had finals October 13th, but maybe midterms. So, but the bottom line is if you get that diversion done in the time frame that you have available, you shouldn't even have to come back to court.
you're not going to qualify.
So get in there, call Miss Gillette's office as soon as you leave this hearing, have them get the application to you, get it back to them, and then when they send you the contract, get it back to them. You can have this done well before October 13th, but you have to stay right on it.
Just
Israel.
tell her right now that you don't qualify.
Okay, what are you gonna tell me? Is there, you don't qualify? Is that what she's trying to
I-
say?
Yeah, after he left getting this ticket, he got another ticket,
For what?
the same thing.
All right, well, let Miss Gillette decide if he qualifies.
Okay, and it was midterms, by the way.
Okay, Miss Gillette, what do you think about that? Still,
Um, do you know what jurisdiction the other ticket is?
I think it might be, what county is closest to Wichita?
Sedgwick or Butler?
I think it might be Butler. I don't have the ticket in front of me. I know that, I did, because I didn't know what a serious offense this is. And, so I did get him an attorney, but he hasn't had the chance. They haven't met yet.
who's the attorney?
The attorney, as I said,
It's, Blake. His name is Blake Cooper.
you want to give us his phone number?
Yeah, I have the phone.
I don't need it. I know Mr. Cooper.
I know, Mr.
Now,
Cooper.
Miss Gillette, what do you think?
The other ticket hasn't like popped up yet, or it may be in a municipal court. And so I haven't seen it yet. I'll have to pull all of the information on it. So that'll give me some more information if it's in a municipal court. But it's not in district court as of today. Our case is the only one. So I'll see if I can find information about the ticket, but if I pull his driving record and I pull his AAA, it shows me where he was arrested or stopped sometimes.
So do you want him to turn in an application or not?
He can turn in an application and I'll see what or if anything can be done. And sometimes I work with prosecutors in other jurisdictions, as you know, so.
So Mr. Lokenny, were you inside of the city limits when you got the citation?
Was that inside my city limits?
No.
Or-
No, inside, were you like in Augusta, Andover, El Dorado?
I was in Eureka.
This is Eureka.
This is Eureka.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah, no, I don't know. I was not. I was on the highway.
Okay. All right. Well, call Miss Gillette's office about diversion. Did you get her number? It's the one on the screen. Call her when this hearing is over. And
Yes.
be back here by Zoom October 13th at 11. If that's not going to work, you can talk to Well, I don't know if Mr. Cooper is going to represent you on this. As I said, if you get diversion, you should be able to get it done so you don't have to be here. But if it's going to be a problem, you can let us know. Your bond is 1,000 OR. You will need to call the sheriff's office and get time to come up and do that. But they'll do it on the weekend, the evenings. Like I said, they'll do it at midnight, 2 a.m. They're very accommodating here in Butler or in Greenwood County.
Yes.
Any questions about anything that we can help you with before I let you go?
No, thank you. Thank you for having me. Thank you.
You're welcome. Missy, is there anything else I need to take up with him?
I don't think so.
Ms. Gillette, anything you, from the state's perspective?
No, I think
All right, you folks are excused. If you want to disconnect both your phones,
Thank you.
thank you.